Apple's expected to release the Apple Watch 10 this fall to celebrate the product's 10th anniversary, and it's rumored to be the biggest Apple Watch update ever, starting with a brand new way to attach bands and straps. Instead of the previous sliding mechanism, Apple Watch 10 will feature a magnetic latch, strong enough to hold the band in place, but easy enough to remove with a firm tug. That means none of your old Apple Watch bands will work with this model. The benefit of the change is a thinner enclosure without sacrificing components or battery size. In fact, the OLED panel will likely be more power efficient, which should increase battery life beyond the 18 hours we've had with almost every previous model. Plus, thinner bezels will allow for a larger display without increasing the device's width or height. The S10 system in a package expected to debut with this model will likely be optimized for generative AI, as those features will be a main focus of watchOS 11 to be revealed at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference in June. Health will also be a main feature for Apple Watch 10, as blood pressure tracking will be added for the first time and won't be available on any other Apple Watch model in the near future. While the sensor won't be able to give specific systolic and diastolic readings, it will provide an overall look at your blood pressure over time and notify you if it detects hypertension. Apple Watch 10 will also notify you of possible sleep apnea, since it'll track your breathing patterns through the night and detect low blood oxygen levels during apnea events when your airway is blocked. Prices for Apple Watch 10 are expected to be the same as the current Series 9 Apple Watch, starting at $399 for the entry model and $429 for the larger model. So that's what you can expect from the Apple Watch 10. This is Greg with Apple Explained. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.